Today we are making this easy two-colored plant hanger, so if macrame is your jam, stay tuned. Don't forget to take a screenshot of today's project details, and let's get started. Place all 6 cords inside of your metal hoop, and make sure that it's absolutely centered. Next, grab your secondary color. I'm using the color called Marsala, and we will be tying a gathering knot. To make a gathering knot, you make a loop at one of the ends, and then you take your longer tail end and you wrap it all the way up to the top of your loop. Once you reach the top of your loop, you take your longer tail end and you place it through the loop. Then you pull the shorter tail end of your loop. This will slide your working end all the way inside of your gathering knot. Next, cut off your excess strands. Also, I like to hide my cut ends inside the gathering knot as well. I use the tip of my scissors for this. Next, grab a group of 4 cords and tie a square knot. If you're unfamiliar with your knots, feel free to check out my knot tutorial playlist. I'll link it in the cards above. But if you feel like you can follow along, you can always tap the 3 dots on the top right corner to slow down the video. Okay, so next we're going to be tying another square knot with the next 4 cords, and then after that we will tie one more square knot with the last remaining 4 cords. Next, we're going to be tying more square knots, but this time about 3 inches further down the set of ropes. When you're working with 3-strand cotton rope, you may find that the ends start to unravel. To prevent that from happening, I use a little bit of masking tape and tape the ends. So if you see a little bit of green at the end of my rope, that is what that is. I don't normally work with 3-strand cotton rope just because it's a little bit rougher on the hands. Plus, the added step of taping the ends is a little time consuming, but it's definitely worth it. You do not want it to unravel on you. Next, grab another strand of Marsala and fold it in half to find the center. Place the center behind one of your sets of 4 cords. Wrap it around and tie a spiral knot. A spiral knot is essentially the same thing as a square knot, only we're working in half knots. So instead of completing the knot and working on the right side, we will only focus on the left side. I sure hope that makes sense. Let me know in the comments below if you're following me here. But if you're following along, we will be doing 10 of these half knots, which turns into a spiral knot. And of course, we're going to be repeating the same process to our other 2 sections here. Next, to hide the ends, we take a tapestry needle and then we work our cord up through our spiral knots. I like to pull it up through 2 of the bars somewhere hidden in the middle of our work. That way it's not easily seen where we snipped it off. Next, tie another set of square knots 3 inches below where we tied our spiral knots. Next, we want to create the base of our plant hanger and join the sections together. To do this, grab 2 strands on each side of our previous square knots, and then join them together by an additional square knot about 3 inches down. Repeat the same process to join the other 2 sections together. You should have what looks like a netting. At this point, I like to double check to make sure my pot will fit in there nicely. With our last strand of Marsala rope, I tie another gathering knot 3 inches below our joining square knots. Snip off the excess rope, and just like I did at the top, I like to hide our tail ends inside the gathering knot. Next, trim the tail ends so that they're all even. For added texture, I unraveled the ends. The easiest way to unravel it is to pull one of the strands out and then unravel the remaining 2. I know it may seem common sense on how to unravel rope, but trust me, it's a lot quicker if you pull out one strand and unravel the remaining two than it is from working from the bottom to the top. If you happen to make this plait hanger, please tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. And if you like this video, please do me a favor and give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're new here, I hope you consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next one.